Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're fixing PS5 frame drops and game lag. Let's start by powering on the PS5 and going straight into a slow or laggy game. If the PS5 game feels choppy, exit the game and return to the PS5 home screen. Press the PS button on the PS5 controller and fully close the game from the PS5 menu. Now reboot the PS5 completely to clear temporary PS5 background processes. Hold the PS5 power button until you hear 2 beeps to fully shut down the PS5. Wait a few seconds and then unplug the PS5 power cable from the PS5 console. Let the PS5 sit unplugged for 30 seconds to refresh the PS5 system memory. Plug the PS5 power cable back into the PS5 and turn on the PS5 again. Once the PS5 boots, open Settings on the PS5 home screen. Scroll down and open System on the PS5 to check performance features. Go to System Software on your PS5 and confirm the PS5 is on the latest update. If the PS5 needs an update, install it and restart the PS5 afterward. Now return to PS5 settings and open Save Data and Games/App Settings. Go into Game Presets inside the PS5 menu for performance adjustments. Set Performance Mode as default on the PS5 for smoother gameplay. Back out and open Screen and Video from the PS5 settings. Scroll to Video Output and check the PS5 resolution settings. Set the PS5 resolution to 1080p if the game still lags at 4K on PS5. Also disable 120Hz mode on the PS5 if your display doesn't support it. Turn off VRR temporarily on the PS5 to test stability improvements. Now open the PS5 storage menu to check available space. If your PS5 storage is nearly full, delete and use PS5 games or apps. Keeping extra storage free helps the PS5 maintain smooth performance. Next, highlight the laggy game and delete corrupted PS5 game data if needed. Reinstalling a PS5 game can fix broken files causing PS5 frame drops. Now go back to Settings on the PS5 and open Network. Switch the PS5 to a wired LAN cable for more stable online gameplay. If using Wi-Fi on PS5, choose the 5 GHz band for better speed. Run a connection test on the PS5 to confirm stable bandwidth. Now let's check the PS5 temperature to prevent thermal PS5 lag. Carefully move the PS5 so the PS5 airflow vents are fully open. Inspect the PS5 rear and side vents for dust buildup. Use a hand blower to remove dust from the PS5 vents gently. Do not open the PS5, but clean around the PS5 ventilation areas. Lift your PS5 slightly to ensure the PS5 stand is placed correctly. Improper airflow can make the PS5 run slow and cause PS5 frame drops. Now restart the PS5 one more time to apply all PS5 settings. Once the PS5 is on, launch the same game again on the PS5. Move around inside the game to test PS5 smoothness. If the PS5 still lags, return to the PS5 home screen again. Open PS5 settings and go to System one more time. Select Power Saving inside the PS5 menu. Turn off Automatic Rest mode to avoid PS5 background interruptions. Now boot the PS5 into safe mode for deeper fixes. Turn off the PS5 by holding the power button for 2 beeps again. Hold the PS5 power button until the second beep to enter PS5 safe mode. Connect the PS5 controller with a USB cable to the PS5. Choose option Clear Cache and Rebuild Database in PS5 safe mode. This PS5 rebuild process can fix severe PS5 stuttering issues. Wait patiently while the PS5 rebuilds the PS5 database. After the PS5 restarts, open the game again on your PS5. Check if the PS5 performance is now smoother and lag-free. If the PS5 still has issues, you may need to reinstall the PS5 system software. Go back to PS5 safe mode and choose Update System Software. Select Update using Internet if your PS5 is online. Let the PS5 finish updating and restart normally. Launch the same game again and test PS5 frame rate stability. If everything runs smoothly, your PS5 frame drop problem is fixed. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes. Enjoy smoother gaming on your PS5.